What is up, kin folks? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, I am finally making it to the beauty room after days of saying that I was going to get in here, but I had washed out my brushes, and that just reminded me that someone was asking about the brushes that I use. So I guess we'll talk about those briefly here. I mean, not a lot of time on them because ain't too much to tell, girl. We'll just start off by saying first, how are y'all today? And on the lips today, y'all, something I hadn't worn in so long is this Sephora matte. I don't even know what it is, but it's so old. But because the color was like reminding me of fall, I said, well, let me try that. And I outlined it with this brownish color from Sephora. So if I can find those, I will link them below. But let's talk about cleaning up brows. I don't have on brows today, but when I do clean up my brows, I have two brushes that I use that will look like this. Now, this one is a MAC brush, and the name is so off of it. If I can see it, I will let you know exactly the number on here. Girl, it looks like 212, but who knows? Yeah, it looks like a 212. That's it there. And this one is just one that I got off of Amazon, and I will link it below if I can find out what that is. Just to clean up the brows after you've done your brows, just to put the concealer and clean them up, make them look really good. Now, as far as eyeshadow brushes, I have a couple of them here that I have been using. This is just a fluffy brush. Let's say that you're putting on your crease color. This one is great for that, or just to kind of diffuse the eyeshadow on the outside. It's a BH Cosmetics brush, but this is what it looks like here. And this other one here is VS Mall. I got a set of these, and I did a review on them some time ago, but this is a nice little, it's not as, this one is more dense than the other one is, but it is great for putting on eyeshadow, which I only use probably these two for putting on the eyeshadow. And most times underneath, I'll use a flat tip brush, kind of like this one. This is almost like a concealer brush here, and it is a Sigma brush, very old. As you can see, it's worn, but I will put underneath my lash line shadows using that, or to kind of smear out my eyeliner when I put it on. And concealer brushes, I'll use a couple of three. This is one that's from Morphe. It is so worn. I'm not even sure what this is for. I really don't, but I'll use it sometimes to dust off powder underneath my eyes if I'm using any powder, which is a rarity. This is one from Real Techniques that I like to use. And again, I will list all of these in the description box or have the names on the screen. But this one is great for concealer, or either to actually contour the nose with. I like to use this one. And this one is the Fenty concealer brush. Again, to tap on the concealer or to blend it out. This one is great. Or it can also, again, be used to contour the nose. And my brow brush, I've had this one so long, but this is from Avon. It's a dual-ended brush. It has an actual little brush and a comb on here. Heck, it looks like an edge brush almost, but it has a spoolie on this end, which I use for brushing out my brows. Yeah. And excuse the sunshades. These are little sunnies I got from Amazon. I will list those below as well. Here is another concealer brush. I got this one in the set from VS Mall. The only thing I hate about this one, it has this little point right here. And when you're digging in trying to put on your concealer, girl, that will get you. So I don't really recommend that one at all. Moving on to more foundation kind of brushes that I use, or either to put on my bronzer or contour. I use this e.l.f. brush. It's seen better days as well. I've actually glued it on a couple of times. But this one is great for foundation. It's great for, you know, using it for your bronzer or contour as well. Here is another great foundation brush here. This one is the Morphe brush, the M439. I use this one for foundation, or I use it also for putting on contour. And another brush I've been using a lot lately has been this one. Girl, is this, I want to say this might be a BS Small brush. I don't even know, but it has another name on it. I'm not even sure, but it is a foundation brush. And for highlighter, I like using this one. This is like the shimmery highlighters or just to highlight. I use this Morphe brush. This is the M510. Very nice for the nose. Put a little bit up there, and I also put a little bit on the high point of my cheekbone. And to brush away, you know, if I'm using any powder, which is very light on the powder for me, I use this brush here. Came in a set, not exactly sure, but it looks like this. And for brush, powder, bronzing, I use these two. This is a Morphe E3 blush. You can also use it for contouring, bronzing, etc. Powder, it doesn't matter. You can use your brushes however you choose. And this fluffy powder brush here, again, for powder, for blush, for bronzing, etc. So those are my brushes, y'all, and I have been truly loving those. I have been trying out 2 new products in my skincare routine. I wanted to share those with y'all today. I'll be bringing you more information about them. This is the ones here. These 2 are from Sounder One. This one is the Sounder One Light Up Intensifier Serum. They say it's made for all skin types, even sensitive skin, and it's described as a gentle yet powerful serum that helps with the look of hyperpigmentation, stubborn acne marks, post-surgery darkening, and redness from sun damage. It also says it can be helpful when skin is recovering from sunburn or cosmetic treatments like IPL. One of its key ingredients, it is stated that it's 5% tranexamic acid, which is often known to foam up in other products. But thanks to the brand's super permeating technology, this serum stays smooth and absorbs deeply without that issue. Now the texture is water-like, sinks in instantly, and doesn't leave a sticky feeling behind. It also contains 2% glaipiritin, a natural extract praised for its skin brightening properties, while also being soothing and packed with antioxidants. So this, I'm looking forward to using it, and it says results are typically noticeable within 2 to 4 weeks of use. Plus, it's made without alcohol or added fragrance, making it a clean and gentle option for those who want brighter, calmer, and more even-looking skin. And this is the Sounder One, where mine says Thicker Wall, but I guess they've changed the name to Sounder One Skin Repair Soothing Serum. S.O.S serum. Supposedly, it is stated is perfect for anyone, especially those with sensitive skin, and it can be used every day to help strengthen and protect your skin's natural barrier. It states here that this serum is designed to really help when your skin is feeling stressed or after sunburn, irritation from strong skincare treatments, or tenderness following cosmetic procedures. It's stated it works to calm, comfort, and bring your skin back to balance. Plus, it's free from alcohol and fragrance, making it gentle and soothing. So that's great. And using their special nano super permeating technology at Sounder One, it is said that this serum delivers powerful ingredients deep into the skin. It's enriched with Centella asiatica plant extracts, known for helping our skin feel refreshed, restored, and cared for. So excited about these. And just let me share with you, so far I've really been loving these 2 so much, like really I have. And I'm still sticking with my sunscreen, this particular one right here. Been loving it so much. In fact, y'all, I've been going ham on it, right? I love it. Really good, really good. You know, when you talk about my daytime skincare routine, it's wash the face, tone the face, and along with my sunscreen before I put it on, I am still loving my Day Mellow. Y'all, I'll put this on my skin, let it dry, and then I'll put on my sunscreen. But that is the skincare routine right now. I'm just kind of still in the process of, discovering some new products. I am looking for a good moisturizer for nighttime. I have kind of gone through a couple of them that I'll share with y'all in my next video. But I was just, talking to a couple of brands about, some products, and still loving this goPure Tighten and Lift Neck Cream. This is kind of like my final step that I like to do. And, it really helps, if you see people with like wrinkles and lines and different things going on under the neck, girl, tell them about this. Please tell them about this. I will link it below. They will need it. They definitely need it. Okay? It will make those lines, wrinkles more subtle. Love that for me. But that is about it. I am going to go ahead and get back to my granddaughter. Y'all, I'm still fighting the battle of the bold when it comes to this menopause weight gain. And I'm not fighting it. I'm really not even fighting it because, girl, have I exercised lately? No, I have not. But I'm planning to. I just say that every day, don't I? Oh, my God. I don't know. But I do plan to work on that. But anyway, I'm out of here. I will see y'all on the next one. All right, Kim folks, I'm out of here.